My name is Liene Gatere. I'm the Executive Director of Transparency International Latvia.
Hi, my name is Janisa Veide. I'm a lawyer and project manager at Transparency International Latvian chapter. Latvia is monitoring Riga tramline infrastructure development project. Basically, Riga Transparency Latvia is monitoring project where Riga is building a new tramline and renovating old sledges, buying new trams, and so altogether is around 100 million euro. This is the first time where organization is actually part of procurement from the beginning until the end, and we can share the knowledge with the state officials, which usually don't see that those things what are happening in a procurement commissions of these organizations.
And one very important thing is that we have already helped to avoid single bidding situation, and we have our efforts have actually helped to increase competition in those procurements. So I think it's very valuable for all involved parties.
And we can see that they are facing the same problems and same issues that we have. For example, we also have a huge problem with finding experts and having independent expertise about tram procurement, and then I can see that this engineer expertise problem is also a big issue in Poland. No matter that the Polish is twice as big as Latvia, we still have the similar problems. Of the similarities, I'm happy to see that our colleagues from Poland is also being and sitting in all the commissions and being there on site. So it brings us to that they are also having a huge impact in this project and in the procurement as it is.
Now we see that also in Poland there are problems within the public procurement system. There are problems on a national level, but also on the single institutions. So we, in our opinion, also in Poland, we see benefits from involvement of non-governmental organization and usage of, say, Integrity Pact. And I think that as we are drawing on these similarities in all the countries where Integrity Pacts have been implemented, we see this as a very powerful tool that actually European Commission should consider seriously for introducing in infrastructure projects that are funded by EU money, and it could really help to increase transparency levels, accountability levels in the member states, and the usage of EU money will be more effective.
I would see that Integrity Pact cannot address small problems, but it can address all systematical changes in all procurement system. And I think that if Integrity Pact would become more and more used in these kind of big infrastructural projects, then society would start to be more involved into monitoring procurements and into monitoring these kind of big projects. And basically, that's one of the biggest aims and biggest successes. If we will make it, it is to engage society into monitoring European fund usage, because we should always remember that European money is not only someone's money, it's our money, and it should be spent effectively.